Hi everyone, welcome in week 69. We have so fun tonight. So maybe it's not the best
Hour to do that,
but we do it. So
it started, so we need to go forward.
oh my god, please. Oh, help me. Okay. So this week
We went to Rainbow Spring.
yeah, but it's a new experience for us.
Yep.
So we never but we don't know they have this in Florida before.
Nope.
We
It's
we come a lot of
Yeah.
we come few time, but I never know they have this to explore. So
I was thinking it's only swamp and ocean.
but we all do just the East Coast.
Yeah.
So at this moment we want to come back and we want to know what is they have in Florida, but all Florida. So we are super exciting to present you the spring. It's incredible place. I can explain my feeling when we enter in the water.
It looks a little bit shallow, but the deep is around 8 or 9 feet. So
And it's so clear. You are able to see so far in under the water, and
they said 250 feet.
it's incredible. It's really incredible, and we never do this before, diving or snorkeling in this clear water. It's very good experience, and all time the temperature is at 72 all time in
Summer, winter.
and the water comes up to
They came from the aquifer, they call it.
aquifer.
Aquifer.
So I can explain
The water came from the
inside of the earth.
Yeah.
And it's just amazing. You have to go there, and this spring costs just $10 US for all of family, and Rafi don't pay because it's too small, so we just pay $2 for each, and we could pass all the day there.
Yeah,
So
picnic table. They
Yeah.
have a little hiking trail.
mini hiking, but
Yeah.
I think they have a big one too.
Yeah, you can go
In the nature, they have
farther.
another hiking to you could go, but we just do a little one for us, and you could come with all stuff you need. So you can come with your snorkeling kit, and you come with your
The paddleboard, kayak,
Yeah.
canoe, and
it's amazing. So in the sometime you could see to a crocodile, so it's possible. So you can swim near a crocodile. They have a little
I don't
fish.
think we will do.
No, if we
But-
saw one, it's for sure. I don't go in the water. It's sure because I just saw a little fish, and I'm
She get
so
out.
I'm so stressed about fish, and I block my
Back.
my back with that because I'm so stressed to just swim. But now I'm so sad to don't go another time because the feeling is just incredible, and it's so hard to explain how clear the water is. It's you have to go, and
We try to make some video and photo with
Yeah.
our water camera, but batteries are dead. So need
It's,
to wait the next time.
Yep, we are a little bit frustrated about that, but life happens, so that's enough for this. And this week we have to, after the big week we spent last week at the skoolie swamp, we need to take
Time-
need to
time for us.
Yeah, time for us, and go slowly and just take time to breathe, relax, and try to connect with us. So we go at the beach and the feeling is so good after, because when you
Almost
are in Florida, it's not normal for us.
to don't go at the beach.
Yeah, it's not possible. For me, I am in Florida, so all day I could go at the beach, in the sand, and in the ocean. So maybe just to see the ocean. But the fact is, in the West Coast, we saw a ray like that, and this one is dangerous. So we know they have, and we prefer to just enjoy on the beach. Don't go swim, and the water is a little bit more cold than the East Coast. We are at the West Coast.
We are on the West Coast
Yeah.
now.
But I say the good thing. So
Huh.
we start the week at Gainesville, and we go on the road to come back where we get out. So,
Almost at Tampa Bay.
So yeah. So now we just do the West Coast to Tallahassee and Pensacola, but we are super slow. So for this week, we just Gainesville to Clearwater.
And it was fast because we do it almost in
one day, and now we just slow down, and just breathe, relax, enjoy. So
look the sun.
the sunset is amazing, and we take the time to just enjoy to see that.
This state park is amazing too because the parking is almost on the beach, and it cost us
$5.
$8 for the day.
This one? Yeah. $8. At this place, it's $5 for a day.
Yeah.
And it's not ocean, this place. It's
Old Carrie.
Are you sure?
Carrie mine. Place they take sand. You know?
You know what I mean? Oh, we are sorry. We know we are not perfect in English, but we try, because it's so important for us to share at the most people we are able. So speaking English is very important for us. So we try to learn, and we know we are not perfect. We do the best, and we try to just enjoy with us. And please, if you like us, just subscribe and share the video and comments the video, because it's make a big difference for us to share with English people.
And you can love our video, but not our language.
Yeah, but we try. For sure, we try.
You can learn French too.
Yeah, you can look the video in French.
Yeah.
The same video, but all in French. And so maybe it's perfect for you to learn another language. So finally, we share a new friend, Barbie, and she share a local place, and this is perfect sunset. This is just perfect time. So we go today. Today. So we finished the week with that, and it's just amazing. And if you go at this place in between 5 to 6 p.m., you could see dolphin, and just near you. Just
if you are lucky, they come by. So
yeah, they could swim with you. So just maybe.
And this place, the parking was $5 for the day, but at night it's free. So,
but it's amazing to see everyone take picture and just enjoy this nature moment for free. It's just
a free show.
Yeah, a free nature show. It's amazing to see that. So this is
our week.
Yeah. So
thank
enjoy.
You. See you next week.
Qu'est-ce que t'as appris, mon amour?
J'ai appris qu'il y avait beaucoup d'eau qui sortait de la rivière. En ce moment, c'est vraiment bas. C'est entre 4 à 4,5 millions de gallons par jour. Fait que la rivière, elle a 6 000 de long. Ça prend 4 heures, c'est tout renouvelé.
quelque chose à dire.
M'en fous. M'en fous.
Ça va bien?
Ouais, je suis professeur de la classe. Attention, il y a deux jumeaux.
Alexandre qui fait la discipline.
Papa! Prise! Prise! Ah, prise électrique!
Qu'avez-vous à dire pour votre défense?
Je suis un elfe! Lèche un grand coup de lance!
Ah, il avale toute l'oreille. Dégueu, dégueu, dégueu. Oh!